Welcome to our exploration of the incredible benefits of yoga that can significantly enhance your fitness journey. While many perceive yoga primarily as a physical activity, its effects reach far beyond the surface. Join us as we discover how yoga can uplift not just your body, but also your mind and spirit, paving the way for improved well-being and inner tranquility. Let's get started. In our fast-paced lives, stress can take a significant toll on our health. Yoga provides a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. Through mindful breathing and gentle movement, you can reduce cortisol levels and cultivate a profound sense of peace. Picture this: after a long day, you roll out your mat, close your eyes, and focus solely on your breath. This simple act can rejuvenate your mind and improve your overall well-being. While yoga is often associated with flexibility, it also builds remarkable strength. Poses like downward dog, warrior 2, and plank engage multiple muscle groups, improving overall stability and power. As you practice regularly, you'll notice increased range of motion and a more toned physique. This newfound strength and flexibility can significantly enhance your performance in other workouts, making them easier and more effective. In our distraction-filled world, maintaining focus can be challenging. Yoga teaches you to be present. The meditative aspects of yoga, including mindfulness and breath awareness, sharpen your mental clarity. As you cultivate this focus, you'll find that you can concentrate better on tasks, whether in your workouts, at work, or in your personal life. Imagine approaching each day with a clearer mind and renewed purpose. Practicing yoga outdoors allows you to reconnect with the natural world. The fresh air, sunlight, and sounds of nature enhance the yoga experience. Studies show that spending time in nature boosts mood and reduces stress. Imagine practicing your sun salutations as the sun rises, or grounding yourself in tree pose while feeling the earth beneath you. This connection can significantly uplift your spirit and overall sense of well-being. Joining a yoga class fosters a sense of community. Practicing with others creates a supportive environment where you can share experiences and encourage one another. This camaraderie can motivate you to stay committed to your fitness journey. Whether you're sharing tips or simply enjoying the shared energy of a group, the support of a community can be a powerful catalyst for your success. Yoga offers a safe space for emotional expression. Many practitioners find that yoga helps release pent-up emotions, leading to catharsis and healing. As you move through poses, you may discover a deeper understanding of your feelings, promoting emotional balance and resilience. This emotional awareness can lead to greater self-acceptance and confidence, enriching your entire fitness journey. Yoga is an excellent complement to your fitness routine. Incorporating yoga into your regimen aids recovery by increasing blood flow to muscles and reducing soreness. The gentle stretches help alleviate tension, allowing your body to repair and prepare for your next workout. Imagine finishing a tough workout and then transitioning into a restorative yoga session, giving your body the love it needs to recover effectively. Yoga encourages a profound connection between mind and body. This awareness helps you tune into your body's signals, promoting healthier choices in all aspects of life. As you practice, you'll find yourself more in tune with your physical and emotional needs. This connection can guide you toward better nutrition, improved sleep, and a more balanced lifestyle. One of the most beautiful aspects of yoga is its accessibility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, yoga can be adapted to suit your individual needs. You don't need fancy equipment or a specific setting. You can practice in your living room, a park, or even a hotel room while traveling. This adaptability makes it easier to integrate yoga into your life, no matter where you are. Incorporating yoga into your fitness journey unlocks hidden benefits like stress relief and improved focus. Each time you step onto your mat, you're moving toward a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your wellness. Share your yoga experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.